And welcome back to another edition of Friday 5 here at White Allen Volkswagen. This week I have sort of the same structure as last week. I have 3 cars that you have not seen before. Those will be the first 3 you see today, and then the last 2 will be cars you have seen before that are a bit older on our lot, have dropped in price, so don't miss your chance to check those out. I've got cars of all different models, shapes, brands, so please stay tuned and let's get into the video. First up, we have this beautiful red 2016 Volkswagen Golf GTI Autobahn, which is the highest trim level on this car. It's got 60,600 miles, black interior, great gas mileage at 25 and 33, navigation, power moonroof as you can see there, power and heated seats, dual zone AC and climate controls, a backup camera, retailing for $18,590. Up next, we have a 2021 Honda CR-V EXL SUV, 24,200 miles. It's got a gray interior, goes well with that silver exterior, all-wheel drive, another great gas mileage car at 27 and 32. Power moonroof, it's got a backup camera, heated and powered seats, Apple CarPlay capabilities, power liftgate on your trunk there, tons of safety features, only one owner, retailing for $28,152. Following the Honda, we have a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan SE, 106,990 miles on this car. It's got a black interior, great gas mileage again at 22 and 29 miles per gallon. It's got powered plus heated seats, as you see modeled there by the one and only Ernest Hanselman. This car does have a 3rd row, so all the big families can fit. It's got blind spot, backup camera, plenty of other safety features with the dual zone climate controls, retailing for $16,315. Starting with the 2 cars you have seen before, this is the 2019 Audi A8L. It's got 37,800 miles. It's got a beautiful brown interior. This car is all-wheel drive, so Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, you're gonna do just fine in all that weather. Getting great gas mileage at 20 and 28 miles per gallon. You've got navigation, heated and powered seats, tons of space in the back seats. You've got a very futuristic interior, powered panoramic roof, Apple CarPlay capabilities, and all of Audi's safety features, retailing for $37,200. Bringing up the rear for us today, and the last of the 2 cars you have seen before. This is the 2016 Ram 1500 Rebel truck. 86,500 miles on this car. It's got a 4x4 drivetrain. You'll be able to scale all different types of terrain. You've got a crew cab, as you can see there. You've got heated seats, auto leveling suspension for all those different terrain levels. You do have power seats in this. You've got great bed space in the back there for all of your working tools, towing capability, and a clean Carfax, retailing for $24,170. Thank you for watching this edition of Friday 5 here at White Allen Volkswagen. As always, I appreciate the likes, support, shares. Remember, the first 3 cars you saw today are cars you have not seen before, with the last 2 being cars you have seen with the big drop in price. With the weather getting nice and getting to the middle of the July, do not miss your chance to come out and see us. We're all very friendly, happy to get you more info, and even better, happy to get you in these cars. So without further ado, I'll let you go and stay tuned for next week.